Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and in that video, we're going to analyze for you the Bitcoin here in the daily. So for long-term trading, you stick only with the daily. For swing trading, we're going to analyze for you here the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, and for scalping and day trading, we're going to analyze for you the Bitcoin here in 30 minutes. So make sure to watch all the video from the start till the end, guys. And by the way, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. And if you like our content, please smash the like button as a support to us and writing for us down a comment if you could and share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. So let's start, guys. So as you see, guys, here the daily candle, what it give us here, it give us here like a small pin bar after yesterday pin bar here, that one. Today it give us here another pin bar. So the Bitcoin is showing to us also we're going to stay sideways, and that's what me I've been telling you guys. I told you the big wells for the options, they got two levels here. The first level here is it at 17,500 and down at 16,500, and they said the Bitcoin is going to stay all the week here. And that's what it's showing till now. The Bitcoin, it will not move either up or either down. And me, I got that two levels. Here they are. As you see it here and here, that where they are. Over here, the pots, majority of the pots. And over here, majority of the calls. So that what the view of them. The Bitcoin is going to stay all the week here. I think you get a very clear picture till now, guys. And here in the daily, what else we said, till now it hasn't completed yet. I told you about that inside bar here, that one here and that one here. Till now it doesn't being broken here or here. So that one for long term, I told you it needs to be broken here either up or either down. So till now it doesn't be broken. So also we stay in a sideways market, guys, as you see it. I don't know how long we've been here now. We are going to more than 1 month. So we need to wait until the break is happening. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, also we enter short from here, from that candle, that one here, because we used to have here a up channel like that. When it's getting broke here, we enter short. It fell down the Bitcoin here. At that level, I told you guys, sell or close was it equal your investment. Here, I told you close 50% of the profit will left. Then it go back here. Till now, also we showing here. Also, we are in a sideways market. And what did I told you about here? I told you got here a price action, that head and shoulder here, and I show you where is the neckline. I told you the neckline is it here, as you see it. If it doesn't being broken up, there is no entry, guys. Until now it doesn't being broke. So also we still down the net. No, either from here is going to go up and to break here in that level, and also we're going to close everything we left over, or it's going to fall down more here and to break for us that level here. But that it will not happen now. Will not break here till after the new year, guys, till January or 1st of January. Because till now, guys, us and the market is showing to us, also we stay sideways here. There is nowhere it will go. And that's what me have been telling you. Those days, there is no big volatility here in the market. And now he tried to give us here a price action like that, like a triangle like that, as you see it. But that one, me, I'm not focused about that. Me, I'm focused just about that head and shoulder here. Because a short position, also we got one. We still, now we are waiting just a buy opportunity to appear. So if it doesn't, also we are not going to close our short position. Maybe from here we're going to fall down more. So let's wait and guess what's going to happen. And me, I came to you every day by 2 videos. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. So when also we put in a new video, going to be updated. But if you want to be updated and notified very quick, you need to join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go in to see our indicators, guys. What the same for picture to be more clear to you. So let's go in there. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, I tell you, us, we are here. No one here is controlling, no bulls, no bears, and both of them, they are equal here. And that's what it's showing here. Us, we stay sideways here. We came from a down, from here, from a bear market. But till now, there is no big power to break that level here. So us, we still waiting what's going to happen. Either it's going to break higher here, or we're going to enter long, or either it's going to break down, or we're going to enter short. So till now, No bulls, no bears, they controlling. Both of them, they are equal. And that way, me, I told you, it's not yet. We need to wait in a little bit till the right moment came. And also, when is it the right moment, we're going to put it for you here. I think everything is too clear, guys. Now it's going to see our other indicator, what it's saying. For pictures to be more clear to you. That one here, as you see it, when we be here at the overbought area, once we enter short, it came down to the oversold area, which started taking profit. And by the way, that money management me I'm talking about every time, if you want it, is it down in the first comment in our crypto investing course. That course is not expensive, my friend. It's only 13 bucks if you're using the coupon link down. And believe me, that course is better than million of courses online. They sell it to you by $1,000 and $2,000, but it's up to you. Now here, guys, also here, our indicator is it at the oversold area. So now also what we need to look for a buy opportunity, because also we are in a very, very stronger supply and demand zone, as you see it. Second thing, we need a price action. We got here that head and shoulder here, that one. But till now, the break doesn't happen in the neckline. So till now, there is no entry because that one is just an oscillator, guys. That one, if the price fall down, he will enter to the oversold area again. That's why I told you, don't base your trading on oscillators. Always follow the price action, guys. Always follow the price action, because the price action is the key of success. Remember that. Now, guys, let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity for today. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, also we open a long position here. When it's breaking here, that small channel we used to have here, when it's breaking here, we open a buy position. It came here to that level here. I told you, take some of the profit. Here, I told you, take some of the profit. Stop loss of us is it down here. And now also still waiting. And as you see, the market is very, 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 very flat, guys. So till now, there is nothing new. And here now, the market is giving you here like a small triangle like that. If you came and do it like that, guys. So you waiting either the break to happen upward here for you to enter long, or here for you to enter short. Till now, there is nothing new. Also, we still in a sideways market. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it came here to the overbought area. So now you need to look for a short position. But as I told you, the market is very, very dry those days. And that the price action you got here, it's need that one to be broken down here for you to enter short. So till now, you need to wait in. What's going to happen, guys? Everything is too clear, guys? So that's it for that video. See you after the daily candle. Finish it. Bye for now, guys.